Hi everyone, it's Maddie. Welcome back to my channel. Today we have a little Hermes haul for you guys. I did a few pickups for spring. I already shared this on Instagram in more of like a Instagram vibey type reel, but I thought it'd be fun to share it with you on here because I know not everyone on YouTube follows me on Instagram, and chat through my choices a little bit more and just kind of talk about where we are at with our little Hermes journey. So without further ado, let's get into it. As I said, I already unboxed it, but I put a little buzz back on these ones because it's kind of fun to do, but this one I did not. This one, oh my gosh, I was so excited when my fashion advisor showed me this scarf. He was like, this is so Maddie coded. I agree. Pink, floral. This is the Bride's de Gala, but like such a pretty print. It is a little horsey. I know, you guys, I'm not a horse girl. Apparently I am if it's pink. Here is the detail of the scarf if you want to try and find it. It's just like a really pink, you know, pretty spring sort of thing, and you can like fold it up. Cute, cute, cute. Maybe not with this. It's like maybe too many pinks. I don't know. What do we think? 50 Shades of Pink. I guess it matches my little t-shirt more than my jacket. Ooh, something like that. Just like brighten her up. So cute. Or I can hang it on my wall because I have like the 90-inch scarf holder over there above my desk. What do we think? Actually, I think that's kind of pretty cute. Just like the flowers of it all. And so it's like, it's not horsey when you're wearing it. It's only horsey when you're displaying it. But even then, it's mostly flowers. It's not so horsey. Anyway, this was a little add-on, but what I had initially texted about was shoes, specifically sandals, because we're getting into, well, we're not getting into, I'm mentally preparing, mentally, physically, emotionally, ready for spring. I don't know. It's just like, January was 100 years long, and I was like, I'm kind of over winter. Like, I'm ready to move on. Everybody moved on. So let's talk about some of these shoes that I got. Okay. Open. Okay, these I'm really excited for. They are, you kind of can't see it because it's all black. They are this like rubber sandal, but they have this little arch over the top. But I feel like flat thong sandals like this are going to be so big for summer. Not only because I think the Row made one that was really popular last summer. Chanel had one, which like I couldn't freaking even get my hands on. You know, the Manolo Blahniks always do really good, but I liked these because they're actually rubber. So you're like, Maddie, how much did you spend on rubber sandals? Let's find out. Great question. They're called Island Sandals in Noir, and they were $405, which is a lot for rubber sandals. And the scarf, currently a scarf is running you $590. So less than a scarf for a pair of rubber sandals, but hear me out. Cute design, right? We love, and it's like pool safe, you know, so we could actually go to the beach in these. We could actually get in the water with these. We could actually be by the water with these. I just feel like they're good. Other people have obviously gotten these in previous seasons, and I think they hold up okay. Live, laugh, love, wear the thong. Okay. I thought they were cute. They're a little silly. All right, the next pair of shoes, I'm looking at the price, so I have it in my head. Okay. Boop, boop, boop. Cute. They are just kind of thrown in the box. They are the Oasis sandal. So these are like the Oran. Can we speak? But they have like this little chunkier heel, and so I think these would be cute with like jeans, you know, just for like a little extra height, a little extra something during the summertime with like a little nude pedicure. Aren't they so cute? They're kind of like this kind of pinky, kind of lilac-y, sort of just like a neutral pink color. So cute. Basic. I took these, I sized up. I took these in a 40. In Chanel flats, I'm typically a 39. And these retailed for $870. And they're in Rose Can. Rose Can. Beautiful. So cute. So yeah, that is the little Hermes haul. The journey continues. What is on my wish list? You know, I don't know. I'm trying to stay under 25 bags. At the beginning of the year, my sales associate texted me and he was like, new year, new quota. I think it's time for a mini Kelly. And I'm like, Savannah, slow down. But I would be totally open to that, or like maybe a Birkin 25 in like a darker color because I have the light. So I have like the light girl and maybe the dark girl. I think I'm happy with just 135. I love her. I use her all the time. But I just don't feel like I need multiples of the 35. Plus it's a lot of bag to like store. And I realize this isn't a quota bag, but I also have been loving the Constance, and I would be interested, open to the larger size Constance, I think, because it's actually not that much bigger. And I don't know, I just think it would be kind of cute, and considering I'm probably not going to buy a classic Chanel flap anytime soon, it could be good in there. But also, you know, there's always more bags. There's always more bags. That's the #1 rule. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this little unboxing. I am enjoying this little scarf situation. I think it's very classy. And let me know what is on your Hermes wish list. Are we still doing that in 2025? Or did TikTok ruin it? Did the purse form ruin it? Speaking of, no, I'm not going to say it. I'm not going to say it. I hope everyone's having a really great day and that they're really nice to each other. And I will just leave it there. Okay, love you guys. Talk to you later. Okay, bye.